So let's talk ethanol, methanol, oxygenators, race gases, and corrosion. Now, what do all of those things have in common? The ethanol, methanol, oxygenators inside of race gas, and fuel additives that may add octane. They have the potential to bring outside elements into your fuel. In the case of ethanol, it's very hygroscopic. It likes to pull water in from the atmosphere. And what that can do is create water alcohol mixture, which is notoriously corrosive, even on high quality coated stainless like is found on the inside of our Pro Series injectors. Methanol, same thing, but worse, it can also bring additional oxygen in. Oxygenators, they do their job, right? They bring more oxygen into the fuel to make it more combustible. Those things all mean that you're going to need to service your fuel injectors more frequently. The simplest thing that you can do is when you're putting your race car away, if it's running ethanol or methanol, and you're gonna put it away for longer than just a day or two, run non-ethanol, pump gasoline through it. Some people choose diesel. It's up to you, but you have got to flush the fuel system in its entirety, preferably from the fuel cell through the lines, the pump, the rails, and the injectors. Or get yourself a nice cheap Harbor Freight ultrasonic bath. They run you about 25 bucks. Throw some diluted fuel injector cleaner in there and clean all of that stuff off of the injectors. Your PTFE lines and things like that are generally going to be okay, but if you're taking a whole season off, you're going to want to service and what they call pickle the entire fuel system, especially your fuel injectors. If you've been running ethanol or methanol or oxygenated race gases all season, I strongly recommend that you have a professional service your fuel injectors before you winterize your entire setup.